Here's some of the stories trending this week at NASA. NASA Administrator Charlie Bolden delivered opening remarks at the Humans to Mars Summit 2015 on May 5th at the George Washington University in Washington. Bolden outlined NASA's journey to Mars and the agency's clear, affordable, and sustainable plan to explore the red planet. Others attending included NASA's Associate Administrator for Science John Grunsfeld, Associate Administrator for Human Exploration and Operations Bill Gerstenmaier, and Steve Jurczyk, the Associate Administrator for the agency's Space Technology Mission Directorate. They participated in a panel discussion about the development of capabilities NASA needs to send humans first to an asteroid and then to Mars in the 2030s. Additional steps on the human journey to Mars are underway aboard the International Space Station. NASA astronaut Scott Kelly and Russian Federal Space Agency cosmonaut Mikhail Kornienko are just over a month into their one-year mission conducting a host of research to gain beneficial knowledge on the medical, psychological, and biomedical challenges faced by astronauts during long-duration spaceflight. For more details on the one-year crew and the research on the station, go to www.nasa.gov/1year. The May 6th pad abort test of the SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station simulated an emergency abort situation and evaluated the ability of the spacecraft's systems to carry crew members to safety following a launch abort or a launch pad emergency. This capability is a critical element for the next generation of crew spacecraft being developed by NASA's commercial partners to fly astronauts to and from the International Space Station. The test is a major step in regaining our ability to launch astronauts into space from American soil. NASA and the Department of Homeland Security held a May 7th demonstration at the Virginia Task Force One training facility outside Washington to showcase the final prototype of the Finding Individuals for Disaster and Emergency Response, or FINDER, a radar technology designed to detect heartbeats of victims trapped in wreckage. FINDER, which previously showed the capability to find people buried under up to 30 feet of rubble, hidden behind 20 feet of solid concrete, and from a distance of 100 feet in open spaces, can now also determine the approximate location of trapped individuals. And in a real-world demonstration of the technology's life-saving potential, FINDER was deployed to assist in the recent earthquake rescue effort in Nepal. It located 4 individuals trapped under as much as 10 feet of bricks, mud, and other debris. In a video message to celebrate Small Business Week, NASA Administrator Bolden recognized small businesses that help the agency achieve its goals while boosting the U.S. economy. Meanwhile, Associate Administrator for Small Business Programs Glenn Delgado toured the California facilities of Made in Space, a small 3D technology company near Ames Research Center, which provided the 3D printer that recently produced a wrench on board the International Space Station. During a May 8th ceremony at NASA's Langley Research Center, the American Helicopter Society International formally named the Hampton, Virginia facility a Vertical Flight Heritage Site, recognizing Langley's decades of contributions to improving helicopters and other vertical flight aircraft. Administrator Bolden and Jaewon Shin, the agency's Associate Administrator for Aeronautics, accepted the designation on behalf of the agency. Langley's groundbreaking vertical flight research dates back to 1917. And that's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on social media and visit www.nasa.gov/twan.